Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX. Today I'm gonna talk about print function and if string in Python. So this is the fourth video of my course Python 101. At first I'll go and open the Jupyter notebook inside my Python 101 folder, and inside this folder there is notebook folder where I was making the notebook files. So inside this notebook folders I'll make another Python 3 files, and I'll rename this file as input-output. So what is print function? So print function is to display a message to the screen. In Jupyter Notebook 2 we can see the output without printing anything. Like if I do 20 plus 30 and run the cell, we see as 50 as output, but it's showing as output, it's not printing the result on the screen. Like if we do the same thing on VS Code, let me open this Python folder in VS Code. And inside the VS Code folder there is already two files, so I'll make file3.py, and inside this I'll write the same I written there, so 20 plus 30, and I run this code. So it's run successfully because there's no error, but can you see any message? No, because it's not gonna show any message because we haven't printed it. So to do that we have to use the print function. Print 20 plus 30, and if we run then see there's no output, it's just printing the result. So if we do the same thing on VS Code or any code editor you're using and run the code in the terminal, so you see in the terminal I can see 50 as output. So that's what it does. And is in Jupyter Notebook also you should know another thing. If we do 33 plus 66, then 22 plus 77, then 50 minus 10, and then run the codes, two lines are ignored, only is showing the output of the last line. 50 minus 10 equals to 40. So that's what it does. You should know this about Jupyter Notebook. When you are expecting some output, it's just gonna give you the output of the last line. But if you use print, like with the same expressions in the next cell, Control V, I'll just use print 33 plus 66, the same thing I just put those expression inside the print function, and now I'm running this cell. So you can see 99, 99, 40, so 99, 99 and 40. So you can see every line of the expression is printed as a in the screen, printed in the screen. That's what print function does. Another thing about print function is if I print, like I'm printing a string, my name is, and then I'm printing Arijit, and run this. So my name is, then there is a new line got created, then Arijit. So that's what print function does in Python. Automatically it creates a new line. Imagine you don't want this new line to be getting printed, so you just Control C, Control V. So I'll just write here avoiding new line. So that's for that you have to do int equals to just space and then print. Sorry, there is an error, and comma, and then my name is Arijit. So it's printing first my name is, then end is space, and then Arijit. So by default it prints a new line character. The new line character is this is called a new line character. If you run this, my name is the next one Arjit. So Python takes this as default, but if we do just space instead of this new line character, my name is Arjit. So to avoid new line, use this method. So see what I did there, I put a hash, and to avoid new line, use this method. So this is called a comment. If you put hash in front of a line, it's not gonna get executed when you run the cell. So that's called comment. It gets handful when you're trying to pin down something or write down something beside the code, like what it's do or its functionality or something like that. Now I'll get back to f string. I'll write here f string. F string is nothing but formatted string. If you write and take a variable x equals to 10 and y equals to 99, and then like if you want to print the value of x is 10, you can write like this also, value of x is comma x, then comma the value of y is, then again comma, then y. So you see how many commas we did there, like the value of x is 10, the value of y is 99. So in short way you can write in another way, that's using f string. So I'll show you the syntax. Print. So inside print function, first type f, then do a double quotes, then inside this double quotes, inside the double quotes, write the value of x is. So after that you don't have to go outside the double quote and put comma, you just put a second bracket, and inside the second bracket write x and give a space, the value of y is, then again second bracket and y, and then run the code. So you see the same result, but this is just a fancy way of printing. You can see it's better than this. So it's just a way of printing, nothing else. And you can also print expression here, like I'll just say some expressions, just some mathematical expression, maybe just inside second bracket I'll write x plus y. I'll talk about arithmetic operation later. So like x plus y, and maybe just 66 minus 13, something like that, just something in random. So some expression 109c, 99 to 10 x, sorry, 99 plus 10, 109, and then 66 minus 13, 53. So that's how you print using f string. So that's it for this video, and we'll talk about these things later on course, and you're gonna get used to it. You don't have to remember something like memorize something so hard if you can't memorize it. Just take it easy, you're gonna learn everything, and you're gonna get used to it. These are just basics. So thanks for watching again, and bye bye, take care.